Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's tap on the gestures, they should be on the second position, and here at the top we've got system navigation. Here, as you can see, we've got two different options, so the three buttons which we've got currently applied and the gestures. But before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer: as you can see, you can customize the three buttons navigation. So if you will decide that you want to leave this option turned on, simply enter the settings. Unfortunately, we do not have a lot of things to customize. You can basically decide whether you want to hold the home button for assistant. It's up to you, you can use the switcher. Alright, so first of all, in order to set the gestures, simply tap on this option. And of course, instead of the three buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. Of course, right here we've got the animation, but no worries, I will explain everything. But before, let's enter the settings, because here we've got some options. We've got the digital assistant, up to you of course if you want to use it, and the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you want to have the sensitivity higher or lower. Basically, it is this this is the blue line which appears on the edges, and basically this is the area which is responsible for catching your back gestures. Alright, so just a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. They are really easy and intuitive. So in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, and we can do it from the left and the right side, just like that. And as you can see, if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger and we will go back to the previous page. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but this time it should be longer, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.